Okay, so today's question comes from How To on YouTube, and they're asking, how do you know if a phrase you're thinking of using on your t-shirt design is already copyrighted? So thanks for watching Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. Longer videos every Monday and Thursday, and shorter question and answer videos just like this one every day. So make sure to ask your questions in the question box below. But yeah, how do you know if a phrase you want to use on your t-shirt design is copyrighted? Well, let's just start off and correct that question. You actually want to know if a phrase is trademarked. So copyright really covers, when it comes to t-shirt design, it covers things like logos and character drawings and images. Copyright is more about stealing someone's artwork, their intellectual property, their design work, their creative work. So if you're going to steal like a logo or a cartoon character like Homer Simpson or Rick and Morty, you'd be taking their copyright. But if you're going to use a phrase on your t-shirt that's already legally protected, that phrase is actually trademarked. So just make sure you're using the right terminology when talking about this stuff and checking this stuff in the future. But to check if a phrase that you're thinking of using is already trademarked, it's super quick and easy. The way I do it is you go to a website called Trademarked.com. So I'll put a link to Trademarked in the description to this video. But just simply go to Trademarked.com, type in the phrase on that big search bar of the homepage that you're thinking of using on your t-shirt that you think might be trademarked already, and press search. I've just done a search now for keep on trucking. I think, I might want to use that phrase on my t-shirt. I better check. Gone to Trademarked, typed in keep on trucking, press search, and you're going to get presented with a big page. And if it's trademarked, you'll see a lot of different rows in a table with the mark name. So for me, for instance, I'm seeing keep on trucking, keep on trucking, keep on trucking under mark name. And then you're going to see columns that says goods and services, primary class, and status. So first off, you want to see the name. So see if the phrase you typed in under name comes up, keep on trucking, and then you go right to the right hand side and check the status. If it says registered, it means that trademark has already been registered and it's legally protected and you can't use it. So the first row I'm seeing here, it says mark name, keep on trucking, and registered, 10th of the 14th, 2014. So I can see that trademark was legally registered on the 14th of October in 2014. But that first row I'm seeing, actually under primary class, it says medical, beauty, agricultural services. But then underneath there's another row that says staple food products. And then there's another row that says clothing products under primary class. So first off, you want to see if the trademark is registered at all. But it may be the case that that phrase is registered to not be used on something like a mug or to be used on a poster, but it's not registered or protected on t-shirts, so you can still use it. So what you're looking for in the instance of Amazon Merch or Etsy or Redbubble or any other t-shirt platform you're selling your shirts on, you want to see a row where the primary class says clothing products. You're checking for trademarks registered against clothing products such as t-shirts, hoodies, and so on and so forth. So in this instance, if I go down to the third row of the results I'm seeing now, I'm seeing keep on trucking under the mark name, primary class clothing products, and then status abandoned express. So it looks to me like that trademark has been abandoned, that it's no longer valid, and I can use it on a clothing product. So I'm just going to scroll down and see if there's anything else. So yeah, t-shirts, keep on trucking, t-shirts, tank tops. So abandoned. So it looks like in this instance it's not registered, I could use it. But if it said registered and it's under that primary class clothing products, t-shirts, etc., you can't. But make sure to always check the primary class, because it may be the phrase you want to use is registered for something else, like I said before, a poster, but it may still be available or open access to use on a t-shirt. So trademarked.com, I'll put a link to the website in the description to this video, and then make sure you're checking the primary class that trademark is filed under, to make sure that you're not or you're able to at least use it on t-shirts. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and also like and share this video. See ya.